the fastest way to become a citizen of any nation, become a citizen of any nation, is through investment. By your virtue of investing into that country, you become their citizen. And the only thing that can guarantee you of that fast pace is real estate. Yes, because every country are looking for a way to expand in that industry. Either you are coming as an investor to invest into any existing real estate portfolio like hotel, building schools, homes, all of that. All of that is under real estate because you are expanding the life of that country. Adview Investment Limited own a property in Turkey and in USA, right? And the opportunity here is that you can actually pay an installment plan of 15 months conveniently without no stress. By your virtue of investing into or buying a property in any of the country mentioned, you can actually become a citizen. So don't wait to take this opportunity. Don't wait to grab this offer, right? It can never be enough. Travel around and view the world and living on different cities. It gives that expansion, that exposure and enablement. So don't wait to buy in any of the country mentioned. Buy and wait.